Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we explored data analysis in Databricks. Today we are diving deep into one of the fundamental aspects of SQL queries, the where clause. Let's explore its power and versatility. What is the where clause? It is a powerful tool that allows us to specify conditions for the rows returned by a query. Definition of where clause. The where clause is crucial in SQL for filtering records that meet specific conditions, optimizing data retrieval and manipulations. It prevents fetching unnecessary data, making queries more efficient and faster. Basic syntax of where clause. In Pyspark, we can write df equal to data frame dot where in bracket we can supply conditions. In SQL, we can write select star from table name where then we can specify our conditions. Types of condition we can apply under where clause. First type of condition is comparison operator, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. Second type of condition is logical operators. We can apply and or not as logical operators in where clause. Third, we can use range conditions like between, in, and like. Let's jump on some practical example where we will see those syntax and these types of conditions. Here we have an employee data frame. Let's filter employee records to show only employee named Stephen using where clause. To do this, we can write df out equal to employee df dot where first name equal to Stephen, and we can display df out. This query retrieves employee records where the name is Stephen, providing targeted information about employee with their name. Now let's extend this example to filter for employee named Stephen or Saeed. To do this, we can apply or first name equal to Saeed. Now if we run this, now this query retrieves employee records where the name is either Stephen or Saeed, showcasing how to use the or operator in the where clause for multiple conditions. Let's filter for employees with the first name Stephen and last name Jiang using the AND operator. First name equal to Stephen and last name equal to Jiang. This query retrieves employee record where the first name is Stephen and the last name is Jiang and shows the use of AND operator in the where clause for combining multiple conditions. Now let's move ahead and filter for the employee with IDs between 274 and 280. To apply a filter in a range, we can use between operator. To do this, we can write df out equal to employee df dot where employee ID between 274 and 280. Now we can display df underscore out. This query retrieves employee record whose IDs fall within the range of 274 and 280, showcasing how to use the between operator in the where clause. Now let's filter for the employee ID, specifically 274 and 280 using the in operator. To do this, we can change this query to employee ID where employee ID in 274, 280. This query retrieves employee records whose IDs are either 274 or 280, showing the use of in operator in the where clause for the specific filtering. Now let's filter for the employees whose name starts with S using the like operator. To do this, we can use df out equal to employee df dot where first name like S and percentage as a wildcard. We can now display this df underscore out. This query retrieves employee record whose name starts with S, showcasing the use of like operator with a wildcard percentage in the where clause for pattern matching. Finally, let's extend this previous example to sort the query result by first name. To do this, we can add one additional operator here, order by first name. This query retrieves employee record whose name starts with S, sorted by the first name in ascending order, showing the combination of where clause filtering with sorting using order by. You now understand various applications of where clause in Pyspark for filtering data based on different conditions. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Pyspark and advanced data analysis techniques. Thank you for watching.